The Vegetable app has introduced a new feature called Widgetable Pets, allowing users to raise virtual pets together with friends. To access this feature, simply update the app and you can start raising pets with your friends. The concept is similar to another popular app called Sush, where users nurture virtual pets collaboratively. Vegetable app has adopted this idea to allow users to grow and care for virtual pets with their friends, tapping into the trend initiated by Sush. Once updated, users can interact with their pets by tapping on the pet's profile, where they can give it food and take care of its needs. Users can obtain food for their pets through daily rewards or by watching videos for additional items. While some items are free, premium foods are available for purchase. Users can also customize their pets by renaming them and sending them as gifts to friends. Additionally, users can add their pets as widgets to their home or lock screens. By selecting the size and style of the widget, users can have their pet accompany them throughout the day. Adding the widget is a simple process, requiring users to long press on the home screen, select the widget, and customize it according to their preferences. Moreover, users can also add the pet widget to their lock screen for constant companionship. This can be done by accessing the Settings app, customizing the wallpaper, and adding widgets to the lock screen. Once added, the pet's status will be displayed on the lock screen, allowing users to interact with it directly. In summary, Widgetable Pets on the Vegetable app provide users with a fun and interactive way to raise virtual pets with friends. Users can care for their pets, customize them, and have them accompany them on their device screens throughout the day.